हेलो बच्चों, आज मैं यहाँ आया हूँ आपको एक कहानी सुनाने।
The story of the Max India Foundation is built on the idea of giving back to society, to those who are not as privileged. A story in which these communities receive the benefits of healthcare they have not had access to. A story, the telling of which begins with putting smiles on these faces. The diverse business interests of the Max India Group are all centered around healthcare and life.
Max India is for life, and we, the Max India Foundation, are committed to providing quality healthcare to the underprivileged through surgeries and treatments, preventive healthcare, health awareness, and also awareness about a healthy environment.
हेलो बच्चों, आज मैं यहाँ आया हूँ आपको एक कहानी सुनाने। ये कहानी है मेरे दो सबसे प्यारे दोस्तों की, छोटा भीम और चुलबुली चुटकी।
लगता है तुम्हें डेंगू हो गया है। तुम जल्द से जल्द डॉक्टर को दिखाओ ताकि वो ब्लड टेस्ट करके बता पाए कि तुम्हें वाकई में डेंगू है या नहीं।
This camp is to benefit those who need artificial limbs and polio calipers. This is actually our 5th camp. It's on an annual basis. Every limb is custom made, I would say, because the patient comes here. After registration, they get measured, and then the limb is manufactured right here at the camp. And we organize the workshop team to be here. And the moment it's ready, then the patient tries it, walks, and if there are any adjustments to be made, no matter how many times, we ensure that happens. We try to motivate our patients to actually try the new limbs, because many of them start with no confidence in themselves. They haven't stood for years.
जब मैं 2010 में आया था सर, यहाँ आया तो मैं 3 व्हीलर में आया था सर। मैं यहाँ से आके लिम्स लगवा के उसके बाद मैं करते हुए फिर मैं निकल गया सर। उसके बाद मैं लगातार चल रहा हूँ सर। तो इससे ज़्यादा क्या हो सकता है सर?
3 बार इनके पास आकर लगवा लिया, अब ठीक है। अब 4थी बारी लगा के जा रहे, ठीक है। ये बेचारे फ्री लान दे, देखो साड़ी सेवा कर रहे, बड़ी भारी हिम्मत है जी ना दी भी।
We are very, very, very grateful for this moment, sir.
We have over 400 NGO partners across the country, working at the grassroots level with the community.
Max India Foundation has helped us in conducting health camps in our gender resource centers, as well as the project we are doing with the old people. Orthopedic surgeons, physicians, gynecologists have come to do various camps.
ये सारे बच्चे होमलेस बच्चे सड़क पे रहते और फैमिली भी सड़क पे। मैक्स इंडिया फाउंडेशन 2008 से सपोर्ट कर रहा है जमघट डे केयर सेंटर को।
A big thank you to Max India Foundation for all their kind concern and their assistance. We are lucky to be associated with them for the last 5 years, and we are very grateful for it because it is due to their assistance that these people have some kind of health going for them. I mean, otherwise, if you go and see the slum areas, they are really bad. The most important thing in the slums is the health. We shortlisted 4 or 5 people who needed to get the cataract done, the operation. So that was done by Max India.
सॉकेट में मैच है ना, उसमें डलवाया था।
पेट की पथरी निकलवाई मैकस में।
स्कूल में हमारे करीब 450 लड़कियां पढ़ती हैं, तो अभी तक सभी बच्चों का एक दफ़े हेल्थ चेकअप हो चुका है। उनको इम्यूनाइजेशन भी दिया है, अलग अलग टाइफाइड की वैक्सीनेशन दी है, विटामिन ए की डोजेज दी हैं।
On an average, we are treating about 15 to 20 patients every month with help from Max India Foundation.
मैक्स इंडिया फाउंडेशन की तरफ से हमारी मतलब गुड़िया की ज़िंदगी बच गई, हम बहुत खुश हैं।
We provide standardized quality care. It's the modern day surgery which we offer to them, and again it's only been possible because of Max India Foundation.
Whenever there's a natural disaster in any part of the country, we give medicinal support, and we have been able to mobilize our own employees also to contribute.
मैक्स फाउंडेशन वाले टाइम ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਖੁਦ ਆ ਕੇ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਆ, ਆਫਿਸਰਸ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਕੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰਦੇ ਪੂਰੀ।
It's an immensely gratifying experience, I think, for all of us. And I think the Max India Foundation has provided a platform to do some good.
बच्चे स्वस्थ रहें, इससे ज़्यादा और क्या होता है।